The National Assembly is the lower house of the bicameral French Parliament under the Fifth Republic, the upper house being the Senate. The National Assembly's legislators are known as députés. There are 577 députés, each elected by a single-member constituency through a two-round voting system. Thus, 289 seats are required for a majority. The President of the National Assembly, currently Richard Ferrand, presides over the body. The officeholder is usually a member of the largest party represented, assisted by vice presidents from across the represented political spectrum. The National Assembly's term is 5 years. However, the President of the Republic may dissolve the Assembly unless it has been dissolved in the preceding 12 months. This measure has become rarer since the 2000 referendum reduced a presidential term from 7 to 5 years. Since 2002, the President of the Republic has always had a majority elected in the Assembly 2 months after the presidential election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.